Labubu jumps out of the box with flair, a trickster's grin and a curious stare. Pop Mart surprise, you never can tell what's hidden inside the plastic shell.